In the silent depths where shadows lie, beneath the weight of a heavy sky, be holy ember, cold and still, waiting for the fire of your will. Awaken now, sleeping flame, beyond the